Good morning, everyone. As I told that today we are going to revise a whole unit 1, and that will include your 2 stories as well as 2 poems. The first chapter in that unit is your Monday morning blues. So what I have decided, rather than having the question answers only as your revision work, should I have to make special announcement to everyone to open their reader book right now? Both the students, those who are connected online and offline, क्या मुझे आप लोगों के साथ स्पेशली कोई अनाउंसमेंट करनी होगी अपने रीडर बुक बाहर निकालने के लिए? कि आप लोग जो लोग कनेक्ट हुए ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन अपने रीडर बुक के साथ बैठो. We are not watching any movie right now. I'm not a singer. I'm singing something lullaby for you, and you all are enjoying that. Open your reader book. We will have damn revision of your chapters. So what I have planned is for your revisions till the date of exams have been announced. जब तक नहीं होता है announcement of the date of examinations, so revision का pattern, instead of having quiz or this and that, I would like to discuss the difficult portions in the classroom. ठीक है, जो online शायद आप नहीं समझ पाए, मैं वैसी ही चीजों को discuss करूंगी. Question answers, because basically मैंने what I have observed as a student side, मुझे क्या लगता है आप लोगों के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ द चैप्टर्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट, है ना? तो मेजरली फोकस ऑन द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, वो कर लिए, चैप्टर इज ओवर. इनसाइड या वन लाइनर्स या लाइफ स्किल या बाकी की किसी चीजों से कुछ खास इंटरेस्ट आपके नहीं होते. आपके दिमाग में ये है कि मैम ने राइटिंग स्किल करवाया तो वो मुझे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस के लिए याद करना है, एंड मैम ने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कराया वो मुझे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के लिए करना है. बाकी का जो बीच है वो नील बटे सन्नाटा वाली बात है आप लोगों के लिए, वो मैं नहीं चाहती. ठीक है, you have to be perfect in all the skills, that is life skill, value based, question answers, writing skill, anything. So question answers तो ठीक है, वो आप लोगों ने किया ही होगा. What I thought I'm going to discuss the life skill as well as the value based questions of all the chapters right now. So I would like to begin from anyone who can give me the, okay, the reader book. Arnav, can you please sit down? Otherwise you can move from the class. Sit properly, look forward. कल भी कहा था ये बात. And so I told that I will discuss you about the life skill and the value based questions. I don't think it is any value based question is there. Life skill hai, and life skill hai. Why do you think Tom did not like going to school? If you were Tom's friend, how would you counsel or convince him to attend the school regularly? Anyone who wants to give the answer? Who wants to give the answer? Have you heard the question I have given you right now? वो सुना आपने? Then if you want to give answer, you can raise your hand. Good. See, answer will be just, I think I have already given you the answer. है ना? Answer तो मैंने शायद दिखाया भी है. But let me explain you once again. If anyone has not written, they can write down right now. जो लोग नहीं लिखे हो, वो लिख सकते हो अभी. The question is asking, why do you think Tom did not like going to school? If you were Tom's friend, how would you counsel or convince him to attend the school regularly? This is A6, page number 7. Okay, A6, page number 7, and you will write your answer like this. Tom did not like going to school. If anyone has not written, Shreya, आपने भी नहीं लिखा है, लिख लो. आपने अगर जिन्होंने लिख रखा है, very good. और जिन्होंने नहीं लिख रखा है, please लिख लो. So write down, Tom did not like, be a little bit faster. Tom did not like going to school. Tom did not like going to school because it was a boring task for him. It was a boring task for him. If I were his friend, if Akshat and Akshita, what you both guys are doing right now? Akshat, आप क्या कर रहे हो? If I were Tom's friend, I would like to explain him. See, Akshat and Akshita, if you are not interested, instead of switching off your video, you can leave the class. है ना? I would like to explain him the importance of education. I would like to explain him the importance of education and school. Education and school. This is a basic answer. इतना भी लिखोगे तो आपका मार्क्स स्कोरिंग हो जाएगा, है ना, अगर एग्जाम में ये आता है तो। अब इसके आगे आप ऐड कर सकते हो कि if he will come to school, he can learn so many things with his friend. He will not only learn reading or writing, but as well as he can perform so many activities at the same time. These are the lines which you can add. Right now, what I have given you, that was the basic answer. आप उतना भी लिख लोगे, आपका आंसर मार्क्स स्कोर हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Now moving to the next one, which is the tale of tale. Page number 18, the value-based and the life skill. Both questions are on that page number 18. Aniket, are you busy somewhere? Where are you busy? Can you show me your copy where you have written the answers? Come here. Tom is a naming word. He is a naming word. Why you have written it all small? Make everyone in capital. सब वही गलती है तुम्हारी. Only you have written the question answers. Then if I am giving you the life skill and value based, then why you are not writing? लिख क्यों नहीं रहे? Space नहीं है. Make a heading. See, ये excuse मत देना. बेवकूफों वाला ये एक्सक्यूज नहीं कि मैम चैप्टर में जब आपने नहीं किया तो नहीं किया. अभी आप हेडिंग बना लो रिवीजन का, ठीक है? रिवीजन में आप यूनिट नंबर 1 लिखो, वैल्यू बेस्ड लिखो, क्वेश्चन लिखो और आंसर लिखो इफ यू हैव नॉट रिटन, ठीक है? Okay, come to page number 18. Now, life skill of page number 18. Do you think Swami was right in slapping P and Shankar? Had you be in his place, how would you have reacted? See, in this question, you can see there are 4 options. तो मैंने शायद आप लोगों को कहा था कि everyone individual has his own choice of answer, है ना? आप कोई भी एक लिखोगे, but you have to give the reason कि आप उसको क्यों opt कर रहे हो. जैसे ignore the word tail written on the board, laugh along to avoid argument or fight, talk to your classmates and resolve the matters peacefully, complain to your teacher. आप कौन सा करोगे ये completely आपके ऊपर था, है ना? मैंने ये कहा था आप लोगों को, लेकिन आप जो भी ऑप्ट करोगे you will give your own answer. If I would like to, somebody has given me to write my answer, then my answer will be like that. आप अगर चाहो तो लिख लो, नहीं तो आप अपना इंडिविजुअल आंसर प्रिपेयर कर चुके होगे, नहीं कर रहे हो, करना चाहते हो तो भी कर लो. अगर मुझसे पूछोगे तो मैं आपको बोलूंगी ऐसे लिखने के लिए, अगर आप चाहो तो लिख लो. ऑफ कोर्स लिख सकते हैं, आप लिख सकते हैं. अगर आपका खुद का आंसर है तो दैट विल बी द मोस्ट परफेक्ट आंसर फॉर मी. हाँ, you must avoid the grammatical mistakes. You should be careful about your lines. That's it. So my answer will begin like this. No, I don't think. No, I don't think Swami was. Maybe किसी को ये सही लगे, but मुझे वो सही नहीं लगता. तो मैं लिखूंगी अपना आंसर. No, I don't think Swami was right. No, I don't think Swami was right in slapping P and Shankar. In slapping P and Shankar. If I had, if you have written already. If I had, have a copy on your desk. If I had been in his place, if I had been in his place, I would first talk to my classmates and resolve the matter peacefully. If I would have been in his place, Harshita, I am observing you, what you are doing. मैं देख रही हूँ आपको. And I don't like these types of things. Never. If I had been in his place, I would like to, what I have given you the answer, I forgot. The last line, क्या बोला मैंने? पढ़ो. Talk to my classmates and resolve the matter peacefully, because I have not seen anyone, because I have not seen anyone writing the word tail on the blackboard. Writing the word tail on the blackboard. मैंने किसी को नहीं देखा, है ना? अगर मैं स्वामीनाथन की जगह पे होती तो मेरा रिएक्शन होता कि अगर मैंने किसी को नहीं देखा तो मैं पहले बाकी के सारे लोगों से बात करती, इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग टू अ पर्टिकुलर वन एंड इमेजिन किसी ने मारा, उसको बिना पूछे, उसको बिना सफाई का मौका दिए उसको थप्पड़ लगा दूं. ऐसा करने से बेटर है मैं बात करूंगी, है ना? बिकॉज मैंने नहीं देखा कि पी ने या शंकर ने वो वर्ड लिखा है. So I can't blame a particular one. So this is my answer. What was the last name for Darshika? क्या लिखा है last name? क्या लिखा है Darshika? Because I have not seen anyone writing the word tail on the blackboard. On the blackboard. Full stop. Now comes the value-based question of this chapter. In Indian culture, the teacher guru is considered next only to God. You approve of Somu and Mani's attitude towards. Do you approve? Yes. Do you approve of Somu's and Mani's attitude towards their Tamil teacher? How should students behave with their teacher? कहते हैं भारतीय संस्कृति में गुरु को ब्रह्मा के निकट रखा जाता है ना, बराबर. मतलब ब्रह्मा क्या है? हमारे इष्ट देव है ना. हिंदू रिलीजन में हम लोगों को भगवान मानते हैं, है ना. So that means teachers are equal to the one whom we used to pray. ये this is our Indian culture. You approve. तो क्या ऐसे समय में जो सोमू का बिहेवियर था, अपने तमिल पंडित जो उनको आया, वो suddenly when the fight was going between the three little boys, जो झगड़ा हो रहा था तीनों के बीच में, और suddenly these boys entered without having the permission of the teacher. They entered in the room and they informed, instead of having permission or waiting for the words of that teacher, they informed the teacher, sir, we are going outside, है ना, we don't want to disturb anyone, and you can continue with your teaching process, we are leaving the class. मतलब उसने, तो क्या आप उनके उस बिहेवियर को अप्रूव करते हो? उनके बिहेवियर से आप अग्री करते हो? what they were doing with the teacher, जहां आप उस संस्कृति से बिलोंग करते हो जिसमें गुरु को ईश्वर के साथ ही रखा गया है. अगर नहीं तो क्यों नहीं, और अगर हाँ तो क्यों, और अगर आप लोग हैं, you all are students, and how must a student should behave with their teacher? यही है ना क्वेश्चन आपका वैल्यू बेस्ड. बहुत आसान सा क्वेश्चन है. इसको लिखवा चुके हैं या लिखे हो आप लोग? आई हैव नो आइडिया. कोई बताओ, मैंने लिखवाया है या आप लोगों ने लिखा है खुद से? मैंने लिखवाया है. कैन यू रीड द आंसर फॉर मी, कृतिका? Yes, see, whatever I have given you, but I think you have written little bit grammatical mistakes are there in your answer. So those who haven't written the answer, I am just narrating it again. Please note down. If you haven't, still I'm just, this is only for them, those who are not written. Those already they have written, no need. हाँ, आप लिख सकते हो for your own writing practice or learning purpose. आप revision heading देख के आप लिख सकते हो, और आप चाहो, that's your completely your side, your decision. Okay, so this answer of B9 of page number 18 is no, I don't approve. No, I don't approve. No, I don't approve. Somu and Mani's attitude towards. Somu and Mani's attitude towards. मास्क पहनने के लिए होता है, खेलने के लिए नहीं. No, I don't approve. Somu and Mani's attitude towards their Tamil teacher. Towards their Tamil teacher. Because when they entered in the classroom, they have Vivek, have you written? Then why you are not writing? अभी रिवीजन के लिए लिखो, बैठ के क्या करना है? Because when they entered in the classroom, instead of having permission, instead, एक साथ, INSTEAD, instead of having permission, they have informed. That they are leaving the classroom. Instead of having permission, they have only informed. That they are leaving the classroom. What happened, Anidya? I haven't cracked any joke right now. मैंने कोई joke तो किया नहीं अभी. Done. Instead of having permission, what they have done, they only used to inform the teacher that we are leaving the classroom. Why? Because we didn't want to disturb the whole class. ये बोल के वो लोग वहां से निकल गए थे, है ना? Which was not appropriate behavior they have shown to their teacher. Now, next part of this question: how should students behave with their teachers? Like you, जैसे आप कर रहे हो या करते हो. Look at the online students, how sincerely they are reading. And somebody is laughing, somebody is having conversations with each other, somebody is looking to other, somebody is talking to their father. Is this way of behaving with the teachers in the classroom? No. And if you haven't learned, one more time I will see you, Anidya, laughing, or Diksha, I will just, I'm not happy with these types of behavior. I never used to appreciate this. Because हंसने के मौके मैं खुद ही देती हूँ. अभी मैं ऐसा कोई भी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ जहाँ पे आप लोगों को इतना हंसने की जरूरत है ना? That shows that you are not connected mentally in the classroom. So अगर आपका कोई interest नहीं है तो please leave the class. Leave. It's a request. So इसी में ऐड कर लो एक लाइन, इसी आंसर में एक ऐड कर देंगे, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन यहाँ 3 है. एक तो है कि क्या आप सोमू और उसके बिहेवियर को आप इम्प्रूव करते हो. सेकेंड पार्ट है उसका कि आप उसको बताओ क्यों अप्रूव करते हो या नहीं करते हो. एक्सप्लेन विद रीजंस. एंड तीसरा है हाउ शुड स्टूडेंट्स बिहेव विद देयर टीचर्स. स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट. लिखो स्टूडेंट्स, उसी आंसर के पार्ट में लिखो. स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट. Students must respect and follow. Students must respect and follow the instructions. Some students are distracting me. Why should I not keep them in the waiting area? Students must respect their teachers, respect and follow the instructions. Follow, FOLLOW, follow the instructions given. Follow the instructions, INSTRUCTION, instructions given by their teacher. Now I don't think anything else is as value based. कोई और है इसमें value based? नहीं है. Okay, I'm giving you some jumbled words. ठीक है, उल्टा पुल्टा वर्ड्स दे रही हूँ मैं आपको. आपको उसको अरेंज करना है, वर्ड बनाना है ना, और उसके मीनिंग बताने हैं मुझे. ठीक है, या मैं वर्ड बोलती हूँ आप मीनिंग बताओ, या मैं मीनिंग बोलती हूँ वर्ड बताओ, क्या करोगे आप? बताओ, मीनिंग बोलूं, आज वर्ड बताओगे? My first meaning of the word is, you have to give me the word. To laugh softly. Raise your hand if you know the answer. To laugh softly. Giggle. What is the spelling of giggle? Giggle. Correct. Next is violent or angry. Pushpanjali. Sorry. Violent or angry. The word is spelling bolo. Fierce. 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 Fierce का मतलब होता है violent or angry. Nitisha? A place of lawlessness. What is the word? A place of lawlessness. Lawlessness है. Spelling. Sit down. जो लोग खड़े हो बैठ जाओ पीछे. Pandemonium. What is the spelling? Not correct. Pandemonium. That's correct. Now, one more. To feel confused and ashamed. To feel confused and ashamed. Aditi? Bolo Sakshi. Embarrassed. Spelling. Correct. EMBRA. Sorry, BRRA. SSED. ठीक है, इसमें तो हो गया, और इसमें और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स तो है. Extract is very important in this chapter, so don't forget to learn that. Tail of the tail और limits of mind. इन्हीं दो chapters में आपके extract questions है, and we are going to have 5 marks on that. कौन सा है मुझे नहीं मालूम, but extract questions are very important every time. Now, just give me a word. Crying in pain. Crying in pain. Ananya. Moaning. Correct. Spelling? MOANING. Correct. Now next. Terrible. Terrible. Radhya. It's awful. Awful. Correct. AWFUL. Awful. Sit down. Next word is excitedly. Give the word from the chapter. Excitedly. Shubham. excitedly I have given you. What will be the word which means excitedly? Is from the chapter. It's, no, it's eagerly. ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग eagerly. 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 Understand? Okay. One more word is girls. शुरू नहीं किया आप लोगों ने बोलने? सिद्धांत, last word is effort. अच्छा, is for online students. No, online students. One from one. Mute yourself now. Tomorrow from practice book. First 2 chapters from practice book. Unit 1 is over as an revision. Kal practice book 2 chapters. First I think is your naming words. Noun hai na? And second is your gender. Second is determiners. So we'll revise it on tomorrow. Determiners. So write down your homeworks, both of you, the online and offline. Revise. Revise first 2 chapters of practice book, that is naming words. Anyone has brought a blue pen? Blue pen hai kiski ke paas? Revise naming words and determiners. Likho diary mein sab log. That will be your assignment. Revise naming words and determiners. See, prepare your questions. Prepare your questions. Students, if you want to ask, so you can just give me your questions. Ma'am, this should be explained again. I will explain you, okay? Sakshi, thank you so much. One by one, beta. One by one.